Hi everyone, my name is Chu Chang, and I am a part of Group B, or what we come to call ourselves Team Mac. Basically, in our group, we have come together to focus on multiple topics in which we feel will help us succeed. As you have just heard from a couple of our members, we've talked about group norms and communication, but there is yet another topic we have yet to discuss, I feel is an essential part in developing any kind of good group chemistry. And that important topic we need to talk about is group problem solving. That's why in this portion of the presentation, I will explain how it applies to us as a group and what we put into our contract. So have you ever heard the phrase, 2 heads are better than 1? Well, basically in this group, 4 heads are better than 1. Basically that's the same idea here, because we all know everyone that has to solve any kind of problem, the more people involved, the quicker and faster you'll get to that resolution, because you simultaneously have 4 brains thinking instead of just 1. We understand as a group that this is important, and we wanted to incorporate this and develop it into our contract. So with that said, let's segue into our contract. 2 very simple but specific guidelines we've put in our contract to follow. The first rule is that all must come to a general consensus when making any kind of decision. This basically means that it's a majority vote, majority rule. We basically need 3 out of 4 people in agreement to kind of move on to solve any kind of problem. Maybe it's a disagreement in how we want to take our project or something. If we're 3 out of 4 people in agreement of how to take it, majority rules, and that's the way we go. The second rule is basically to leverage each other's skill set in producing deliverables. Basically, everybody has to put their skills to the benefit of the group. And we all understand that there's skill sets to help us problem solve and get results within the group projects. We have unique abilities that we can incorporate into our groups. Basically, some might be better at technology than I am. Some might be better at organizing or leadership. There's multiple things that make everyone unique in the group. So we put it into our contract, and we ask our members to contribute our group's problem solving, progression, and success by incorporating these skills. And we believe that, if we can all come together and we can adhere to these 2 guidelines, 2 simple guidelines, we know that we will be successful.